Hi guys, I'm Chris Tripada. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to present a review on Crypto Profit app which was being promoted by Glenn Kosky and his team, and the launch date is 24th June 2021. So in this I'm going to share with you what is all been described in the sales page, and also I'm going to share the bonuses which you are going to get if you buy through my link which was given below this video, and also you are going to see what bonuses you are also getting from the vendor, and finally I'll be showing you the members area of this product where you can access it once you purchase. So guys, then what is about this product and what are the benefits we are going to get? So according to the promoters, what they are experiencing is the biggest money shift in history. So cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and NFTs are making news every day. We know that today the cost of the Bitcoin is too high. So they have become an entirely new way of spending, saving and investing money. But that kind of explosive growth always brings certain problems. Like what? Cryptocurrencies are so volatile, millions are made and lost daily. One tweet from Elon Musk can sink a coin's value. Every day, investors demand up to the minute accurate info about the marketers. So, if you are thinking of crypto affiliate marketing, the hottest way to make commissions and generate free crypto at the same time. The game changed, and if you try it on your own, you should know. Today's crypto buyer traffic wants up to the minute content. You have to consistently research the latest crypto news. Keeping buyers on site and spending isn't easy. So to make really great money in this niche, it's not enough to do what everyone else is doing. So you need something different, better. So the buyers keep coming back to your sites and offers over and over again. So guys, this is making a biggest blue ocean money making opportunity of our lifetime. And crypto markets and trends, Bitcoin, NFT, non-fungible tokens. So the sky is the limit because more buyers are investing in crypto every day. They are spending more and more often. So crypto affiliate networks are offering very generous payouts, including crypto. So as a seven-figure affiliate marketer who's promoted crypto offers since 2015, I know that is Glenn Kosky, the seven-figure affiliate marketer. So this opportunity is huge, as I have been using the same system to generate crypto for years. It's 10 times easier to make recurring and high ticket income. So unfair profits can be yours if you get in now. So guys, that is from Glenn Kosky, his experience. So now the world's first app for your auto updating crypto affiliate sites. This is all about in a single click your site update with up to the minute video content on crypto, Bitcoin and NFTs. So this skyrockets your authority and ranking in search engines and get more repeat visitors and continuous traffics as users bookmark your sites. So these are the things, knowing anything about crypto, Bitcoin or NFTs, creating content, um, recording or uploading videos, finding offers you can promote, building websites, getting your own traffic. So guys, this is the buyer traffic 100% free. Is all built in and easiest and best ways to succeed as we mentioned. And times have changed. Crypto riches used to be just for billionaires and expert investors. So is Mr. Richard Bronson, Mark Cuban, Snoop Dogg. So today it is possible for anyone to effortlessly grow crypto portfolios. So with our brand new tech that provides free traffic and affiliate offers from leading platforms. So this all been given. So you can go through this sales page when you have time, because it has been explained everything bit by bit and how it works, and also they have given weekly sales snapshot which they have tried and tested, and so how it will change things for you is if when we make money, when the system is working for you, your lifestyle can be changed in so many ways. So that's what they're going to say. And this is a brand new proven solution. So your shortcut to next level success, starting from scratch, that is what's going to happen with this product. And getting started is simple in 3 steps. Step 1, as you know, click the buy button, and in the step 2, log in and enter the app. And step 3 is switch on the built-in traffic and watch continuous crypto traffic flood your brand new site. So, and this is the access where you can purchase as this thing, this product. And what are the crypto app? The best way to see success from the multi-trillion dollar crypto market. So these all details have been given, how to tap into the most hottest niche on the planet, and generate free and targeted crypto traffic, buyer traffic built into the system, high converting crypto offers included, multiple recurring commissions offers included, and no experience or tech skills are needed. So auto updating sites on today's hottest crypto and NFT topics, and unique list building system, exclusive one time price while it lasts. Okay, guys. So there are so many things have been explained in this, and life-changing success is included the best built-in free crypto traffic, cutting-edge auto-updating done for you crypto affiliate sites, and the hottest in demand content buyers crave, and unlimited scaling, point and click, branding and customization, and ultra high converting crypto offers. These are all you're going to see in this product. Done for you crypto affiliate sites, automated list building, pre-approved high-end offers included, and they are built for results. So guys, this is about the description in the sales page. Once when you're free, you go through, and if you like it, you can and purchase through my link, which is found in the description below this video. So it will be explained each and everything. Limitless growth opportunity, this one. So this is all about the sales page. So when you go through this thing, you'll be knowing what all is included in this thing and how beneficial you are, and what are the things you need not do is also being given, like to make, there is no need. Here's what you don't need: to make videos, to pay for or figure out traffic, to pay for hosting, to create content, to make products, to learn anything about crypto. Guys, this is about thing. So we have Crypto Profit app and built-in buyer traffic, and we have multiple done for you sites and easy to follow step-by-step training, and also white glove support. And guys, if for any reason, if you are not satisfied with the product and with the results, you are ensured a 180-day money back guarantee from the date of purchase. So let us see now, let us see uh, the bonus page which you are going to get with this purchase when you purchase through my link. So this is the bonus page where you are going to see what is Crypto Profit app all about, and this is all the points. Smart crypto system, multiple results, all traffic is included, 100% free. Tap into the hottest niche online, and perfect for crypto newbies and veterans. Beta users are loving this app. Travel, enjoy life, and be free. And it is a 180-day money back guarantee. And VIP extra, get results, or we coach you to get results. Guys, about the bonuses you're going to get, you're going to get 4 bonuses, including the vendor, excluding the vendor. You're getting 3 from me, and the rest are vendor bonuses. So the bonus number 1 is, it is a hack, get traffic to your crypto using this method, where each and every method how to get traffic, buyer traffic, is explained in this, with this bonus, which is very useful in promoting your app or any products, affiliate products. And the bonus number 2 is the last code, which is also very helpful in promoting your products or your affiliate links or this app. So you'll have a lot of traffic methods are explained. This is very interesting one. And the bonus number 3 is say hack how to build buyers list, because the buyers list to generate is very important, because the people will be coming on and on again and buying your products. So this is very effective way to build a buyers list, guys. And the bonus number 4, written as 5, but bonus number 4, if you take action today, you can access all vendor bonuses. Okay, guys. So this is about the thing. And now let's see the members area where you can access this product. Guys, this is Crypto Profits app. So on the left hand side, you see all the options are there where you can access them, each and everything. You can see the tutorials, and there's a welcome thing is there. Crypto Profit app overview. So what is inside, and it will be explained in detail. And uh, and also you'll see here campaigns, because all do for yourself things have been installed, and also pages content for the crypto thing, and products, and done for you funnel. Everything has been taken care. So my computer is a little slow, that's why it's taking time to come, sorry. So this is the thing, and now you will see the already, as you've seen the sales page, please go through. And in the now I'll be telling you about the price and upsells with this product. So the price is the front end, which is $17, and there are 6 one-time offers, which is unlimited $67, and OT number 2, upsell number 2 is done for you, which is $97, and upsell number 3, which is unlimited traffic, which is $97, and upsell number 4, automation, which is $67, upsell number 5, which is ATM edition, which is $67, and OT one time upsell number 6 is licensing rights, which is $197. And these are all the benefits have been mentioned, the pricing, and also here the free bonuses, 4 bonuses is which have been mentioned here. So guys, and also here it has been mentioned why promote Crypto Profit app, where experience product launches and know how to convert an addition to putting together fantastic products and softwares for our customers. So with over 40 bestsellers on Warrior Plus, ClickBank and JVJu, your traffic is in safe hands. So it is launching on 24th June at 10 a.m. So guys, these are all the benefits which have been mentioned and all the bonuses, and please avail this opportunity and have a try. No risky. There is a 180-day money back guarantee is there. Guys, if you like this review, please give a thumbs up And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In future you're going to see an exciting products reviews as well as new concepts are going to be introduced. Thank you.